To change currency on Plus 500, you need to follow a simple step-by-step process. First, log into your Plus 500 account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on the menu icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Account Settings option. In the Account Settings section, scroll down to the Account Information tab and click on it. Here, you will find the option to change your account currency. Click on the Change Currency button and a new window will pop up with a list of available currencies. Select the currency you want to change to from the list and confirm your selection. Please note that changing your account currency may affect the value of your existing trades and funds. It is essential to understand the implications of changing your currency before making any changes. It is also important to note that some currencies may have different trading conditions, such as leverage and margin requirements. Before changing your currency, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any potential losses. It is also a good idea to close any open trades before changing your currency to avoid any unexpected losses. Additionally, be aware of any potential fees associated with changing your currency, such as conversion fees. To avoid any issues, it is recommended to change your currency when you do not have any open trades or pending orders. This will ensure that you do not incur any unexpected losses or fees. It is also a good idea to consult the Plus 500 website or contact their customer support team if you have any questions or concerns about changing your currency. In conclusion, changing currency on Plus 500 is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. However, it is crucial to understand the implications of changing your currency and to take necessary precautions to avoid any potential losses or fees. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily change your currency on Plus 500 and continue trading with confidence.